How to read Instagram message. First of all, to do that, after you open your Instagram like this now tap on, as you can see now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open menu, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this section which says account type. This one, as you can see here, is it account type. Tap on it. After you open this account type, tap on this section, switch to professional account. This one. So after you switch your account to professional account, tap on this continue button. Just continue. In this section, choose blogger. So tap on this done button. So allow it now to finish loading. So tap on this next again. So tap on this not now. So now tap on this cancel button at the top left side. So now refresh your account. So as you can see now you make your account to professional. Now tap on this home button. After you come to this home button, now tap on this message section. As you can see now, this inbox section, tap on it. So if you come to this section now, go ahead and find the message that you want to read it. So let's say I want to read this message. As you can see now, I read this message with this person. So now if you want to read the message, now all you have to do now, long press your hand on the message. After you long press your hand on the message, as you can see now tap on this mark as read. So as you can see now the message shows that I did not open the message. So you can now go ahead and do it to all your messages. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.